Okay, Jai Mahakal everyone. Welcome back to Mahakal Anand. Take a slow deep breath. Allow yourself to become fully present in this moment. If this reading has appeared today before you, trust that perhaps it is not just a coincidence. Today's timeless career and money tarot reading carries a powerful message about financial growth, divine timing, releasing old limitations, and preparing for lasting abundance rather than temporary success. Through this reading, Spirit reveals where you currently stand in your career and finances, what has been holding you back, the lessons you have already mastered, and the opportunities that are now beginning to unfold. As always, take only whatever resonates with your soul and lovingly leave the rest. Now, let's start the reading. So, here we have the first card, which is King of Cups. This isn't a reading about chasing success, it is a reading about becoming the kind of person success naturally trusts. The King of Cups represents emotional intelligence, calm leadership, wise decision making. Many of you have been through situations that force you to mature emotionally. Perhaps you have faced disappointments in your career, financial setbacks, or the moments where you question your worth. Yet instead of breaking you, those experiences refined you. Spirit says your greatest strength now isn't your resume, it's your emotional stability. People naturally trust those who remain calm during uncertainty. असली नेतृत्व जोर से बोलने में नहीं, मुश्किल समय में शांत रहने में होता है. This new chapter won't simply reward what you know, it will reward who you have become. Now let's see the second card, which is a challenge, and that is the Temperance. Your biggest obstacle right now isn't lack of talent, it isn't lack of opportunity, it is impatience. Many of you have been asking, when will things finally change? Spirit smiles and gently replies, everything is already changing. Just because you cannot see the moment doesn't mean nothing is happening. Temperance reminds us that divine timing is often invisible. The universe is combining the right people, the right lessons, the right opportunities, and the right version of you. हर चीज़ अपने समय पर ही पकती है. जल्दी की गई फसल कभी लंबे समय तक नहीं टिकती. Trust the process, not just the outcome. Now let's move to the card number 3, which is the foundation of the reading, and that is Ace of Wands reversed. Many of you have experienced delays, ideas that never took off, plans that suddenly stopped, projects that lost momentum. It may have felt as though the universe was working against you, but Spirit says those delays were not punishment, they were preparation. Sometimes a dream must be postponed until the person dreaming it becomes ready to sustain it. भगवान कभी कभी देर इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि वो तुम्हें उस वरदान के लायक बना रहे होते हैं. The fire never disappeared. It was simply being protected until the right season. Now let's move to the card number 4, which is your recent past, and that is Knight of Swords reversed. Your recent past shows a period of mental exhaustion. Perhaps you were moving too quickly, trying to solve everything at once, making decisions from pressure rather than clarity. Spirit now asks you to slow down. Success isn't measured by speed, it is measured by sustainability. हर तेज दौड़ जीत तक नहीं पहुंचती. कभी कभी धीरे चलना ही सबसे समझदारी होती है. You are no longer building from panic, you are building from purpose. Now let's move to the fifth card, and that is Page of Pentacles. This talks about your conscious energy. So now this is speaking of the learning, growth, discipline, practical success. Spirit says the next level of abundance isn't arriving because of luck. It is arriving because you are becoming more skilled. Perhaps you will begin studying something new, improve an existing skill, start a certification, launch a business, or simply master what you have already begun. Spirit reminds you knowledge compounds. Every lesson you learn today becomes tomorrow's opportunity. जितना तुम खुद में निवेश करोगे उतना ही जीवन तुम पर निवेश करेगा. Never underestimate the power of consistent improvement. Your financial breakthrough begins with personal growth. Now let's move to the next card, which is card number 6, which is your immediate future, and that is 8 of Swords reversed. Spirit now reveals that for a long time many of you believed something outside of you was holding your success back. Perhaps you blamed circumstances, other people, luck, or timing. But Spirit gently says the greatest barrier was never outside of you. It was fear, self doubt, limiting beliefs. This beautiful message is that the prison door has always been unlocked. You are finally beginning to see the possibilities where you once saw limitations. Some of you will soon make a decision you have been postponing for months, and that single decision may completely change the direction of your career. जिस दिन तुम अपनी सोच की जंजीरें तोड़ दोगे उस दिन दुनिया के दरवाजे खुद खुलने लगेंगे. Freedom begins in the mind before it appears in reality. Now let's move to the card number 7, which is Ace of Pentacles reversed. This talks about your inner power. This card may seem disappointing, but Spirit immediately clarifies its true meaning. This is not the loss of abundance, it is the correction of your relationship with abundance. Some of you have been rejecting opportunities because they didn't appear exactly the way you imagined. Maybe the salary looked smaller, maybe the business started slowly, maybe the opportunity required learning something new. Spirit says don't overlook small beginnings. Every large empire once looked insignificant. हर बड़ा वृक्ष एक छोटे बीज से ही शुरू हुआ था. The blessing you are praying for may already be standing quietly at your doorstep. Look again. Now let's move to the card number 8, which is an environment, and that is Ace of Cups reversed. Interestingly, this career reading now speaks about your emotional well-being. Spirit shows someone who has spent so much energy building success that they have forgotten to refill their own emotional cup. Perhaps you have worked continuously, overthought every decision, carried responsibilities silently. Spirit reminds you money earned without inner peace eventually feels empty. Success isn't only measured by your bank balance, it's measured by how peacefully you sleep at night. जब मनी खाली हो तो बाहर की सफलता भी अधूरी लगती है. But Spirit increases your external abundance. It first restores your internal balance. Now let's move to the card number 9, which is your hopes and fears, and that is Knight of Pentacles. This card beautifully reveals what your soul truly desires. Not quick riches, not temporary success. You desire stability, freedom, independence, the ability to choose your own life. The Nine of Pentacles is one of the strongest abundance cards in tarot. Spirit confirms everything you are building is leaning towards long term prosperity. This isn't luck, this is the result of patience, consistency, and disciplined effort. जो सफलता मेहनत से मिलती है वही सबसे लंबे समय तक टिकती है. Spirit encourages you, continue watering the seeds you have already planted. Now let's move to the final card, which is Ten of Cups. What a beautiful way of reading for this reading to conclude. Spirit isn't simply promising financial improvement, Spirit is showing complete fulfillment, career success, financial peace, family harmony, emotional contentment, a home filled with gratitude. This card says the goal was never just to make more money. The goal has always been to build a life that feels meaningful. असली अमीरी सिर्फ धन नहीं होती. असली अमीरी सुकून, परिवार और संतुष्टि होती है. Everything you have experienced has been leading towards this moment. Now let me summarize the channel message for you. Spirit is saying, my beloved child, you have often believed that your progress was slower than everyone else's. But I have never measured your life against anyone else's path. Every delay has strengthened your foundation. Every challenge has refined your character. Every lesson has prepared you to carry greater responsibility without losing yourself. Do not fear humble beginnings, because what I build through patience lasts far longer than what is built through haste. Walk forward with confidence, continue learning, remain humble, and trust that doors opening before you are aligned with your highest good. Your abundance is not arriving by chance, it is arriving because you have become ready to receive it. Now, what are the strongest zodiac signs surrounding this reading? So, we have Virgo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Capricorn, Taurus, and Pisces. So, if you have any of these zodiac signs, so this reading may be for you. Now, let's see what are the angel numbers highlighted today: 111, 222, 444, 555, 888, and 1212. So, if these numbers continue appearing in your life, simply take them as confirmation. Now, before we close, Spirit leaves you with one final message. Stop asking whether success is coming. Start preparing as though it has already chosen you. Continue becoming the person who can wisely receive abundance, lead with integrity, and remain grateful through every season. I have not forgotten your prayers. I have simply been preparing you for blessings that are meant to last. If this reading has found you today, so this is meant for you. If this message resonated with your soul, please like this video, comment below Jai Mahakal, I am ready to receive my abundance. Your words may become the confirmation someone else has been waiting to hear. If you're new to Mahakalanand, don't forget to subscribe for more timeless career and money tarot readings, channel messages, and spiritual guidance. Until we meet again, may Baba Mahakal bless you with wisdom, abundance, meaningful opportunities, inner peace, and unwavering faith. Jai Mahakal, Har Har Mahadev. I'll see you in the next reading. Till then, take care. Bye bye.